Welcome back to KOM Morning News. Today in the studio we have a cause that you would definitely want to help out with. That's right. We'll have Labette County Relay for Life team in the studio. Welcome to the studio, y'all. Can you tell me a little bit about your event?
We actually fundraise for the American Cancer Society, and we want cancer survivors to know that they're not alone, and we're willing to fight for them.
Definitely. Does that morale and that support of the community, does that usually help patients?
Yes, we actually have a cancer center in Parsons that does treatments and things for people, and our community is very supportive.
Nice. So tell me what else little events will go on that day, and when is it?
Our event is Saturday, September 17th in Oswego at the Oswego Community Building. We're going to have a car show, food trucks, DJ, and the teams will do fundraisers and such.
Wow, that sounds like a blast. Have you guys done this yearly or?
We have done it yearly. This is our comeback year. Since of COVID, we haven't really had a relay, so it's our comeback year, our build back year, but I'm hoping it's a good event.
Yeah, definitely. I can tell it's the community excited since it's coming back after COVID.
I think so.
Nice. Can you tell me about this orange shirt that's in your lap?
This shirt is our event leadership shirt that we'll be wearing that day. And so at the relay, you can just look for the orange shirts and we can help you out.
Yeah, any assistance, any help, just look for someone a bright orange shirt.
A bright orange shirt.
Very bright.
What about the shirts you guys wearing now, the gray shirts?
Our gray shirts, if you fundraise or if you raise $100 or more, you get a gray shirt to wear.
Nice. I bet people will wear that with pride.
Definitely. Yes, for sure.
Tell me about the baggie that you have in your hand. About you can dedicate or honor someone.
Yeah, this is the luminary bag. It's $5. It's in honor of or in memory of the survivor, and you can decorate it however you wish. We have those. Our survivor dinners tomorrow. You can get those there, or you can also purchase them at our event. And then after our event, which is 11 to 4 in Oswego, we're going to have a luminary ceremony in Parsons where they're all lit up at the LCC Event Center from 7:30 to 9:30.
Wow, I bet that ceremony will be beautiful.
Yes,
Definitely.
It always is.
Nice. I
Very
think
touching.
that's a very great cause. Is there anything else you guys would like to add about the event, what you're raising money for, anything that I haven't asked you?
I don't think so.
Well, I guess we covered our bases. Well, thank you guys.
Thank you.
And can you please state when the event is again for our audience?
Yes, it's a Saturday, October 17th from 11. Excuse me. Saturday, September 4th or 7th. Oh goodness, September 17th from 11 to 4 in Oswego at the community building.
Nice. It sounds like an event that we all should look forward to.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.